Once there was a kingdom on the edge of destruction. The people were lost, and hope seemed like a distant memory. The king, once a strong leader, now struggled to keep his people united, facing forces far too powerful. The queen, however, knew that something needed to change, and it wouldn't be won through battle. She believed that a simple act of kindness could shift the tides of fate. He didn't fully understand, but he trusted her. It was a last chance, a last hope. The queen chose a simple act, a humble gathering to feed the people. Something so basic, yet powerful. The act was simple: food, community, and a reminder that they weren't forgotten. What seemed like a small gesture had begun to ignite something powerful: hope. In that moment, the king realized the people weren't fighting because they were hungry. They were fighting because they had lost their hope. A simple act had awakened the people's spirit. It was just the beginning. The effects of the queen's simple act rippled through the kingdom, stirring the hearts of those who had lost faith. In the face of adversity, the people stood united, reminding each other of their strength and unity. Even the king, once consumed by doubt, now found himself leading with humility and compassion. It was the simplest of actions, a gesture of kindness that reminded everyone of their shared humanity. A simple act of kindness had changed the course of the kingdom. Unity was reborn from a single act. The kingdom had been transformed, not by a great army, but by the power of a simple, kind gesture. Sometimes, the smallest act of kindness can change the course of history. In their unity, they found strength. In their kindness, they found power. One simple act, one kind gesture, was all it took to restore hope. And so, the kingdom thrived, not because of grand gestures, but because of the power of a simple act that united them all. The legacy of this act would echo through the generations, reminding them of the power of kindness.